In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a receipt or bill and record it as an expense in Zoho Books. This process is essential for everyone looking to streamline their financial management and ensure that every transaction is adequately documented. Let's get started. First, open up Zoho Books and head over to the dashboard. This is where you'll begin your journey of entering and recording your expenses. From the dashboard, you'll want to click on the Purchases option. This section is dedicated to managing all your incoming expenses, such as bills and receipts. Next, you'll move on to the Expenses tab, which is designed specifically to track and categorize each expense item. Once you've opened the Expenses section, click on the New button. This is where you will start entering the details of the receipt or bill you wish to record. Now it's time to fill in the specific details of your expense. Begin by choosing the date of the receipt or bill. Accurate dates are crucial for record keeping and ensuring compliance with financial audits. Following this, you'll select an expense account that the transaction will be charged to. This step is vital as it determines which part of your budget this expense will impact. Enter the amount from your receipt or bill. Be sure this number is exact to avoid any discrepancies that could complicate your financial records. Then choose a Paid Through option. This could include cash, bank transfers, or credit card payments. Selecting the correct payment method is crucial for tracking where your money goes. Next, you'll select any applicable taxes associated with your purchase. Ensure you have the correct tax rate applied to avoid potential issues with regulatory bodies later on. Following this, choose a vendor for the transaction. This should be the entity from which you purchase the goods or services recorded in the receipt. You will then need to input a reference number. This might be an invoice or receipt number that helps you locate this transaction in the future efficiently. After that, identify the customer related to this expense if applicable. This could be particularly useful in cases of reimbursable expenses or when dealing with project-specific costs. Once you've input all necessary details, click Save. This action will record your expense within Zoho Books, ensuring your financial data remains up to date. To verify that your entry has been saved accurately, click on the Expenses tab once more to view the updated list. If additional actions, such as importing expenses, are needed, click on More Actions, then Import Expenses. To upload documents like receipts, click Choose File, select your document, and complete the upload. By following these steps, you'll successfully upload and record your expenses in Zoho Books, maintaining an organized approach to managing your finances. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping.